Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making cupcake muffins. So here is my already sieved flour. That is, I will leave the measurements on the screen or in the description box. So to it, I'll be adding 15 grams of baking powder. The flour is 380 grams. Then I'll also be adding a teaspoon of salt. These are the dry ingredients I will mix and set aside. So over here I'm having 230 grams of margarine. I'm using margarine today. And this is 300 grams of sugar. I add it into it. Yeah, the quantity of this thing I'm making is too small, and the mixer is a big one. So it will cream, it will mix, but it's taking my time. I don't want to delay much here. That's why I decided to change to my hand mixer so that it will be faster. So I mix at interval. I stop to scrape up the pan like this, the bowl like this, while I continue to mix. I mixed a total of 3 minutes. So now I'll start to add my eggs. Normally I'm supposed to use 4 large eggs, but because I don't have large egg at home, I'm using 5 medium size. So I'll be adding it one after the other and continue to mix. Yes, I'm coming. So now my mixing is okay. I've incorporated everything. Even if you don't have the mixer, you can use your spatula to mix like this, so that it will take time. So at this point, I'll be adding my vanilla. I'm not using any other flavor, so I'm adding a 4 teaspoons of this. So it is time to start adding the flour. So this is our dry ingredients. I'll put half of it, or bit by bit, any way you want, and I'll add the milk. Try not to overmix. Yeah. Just when you're adding, Add gradually. I'll also be adding yogurt to keep it extra moist. Here I'm adding 120 grams of yogurt, natural yogurt. You can use your Greek yogurt but not sweetened. I'll continue to do this until I exhaust all the flour and the milk. I've already mixed very well. Avoid over mixing. And I forgot to mention that I have already on my oven so that it can preheat. So you can see what I got. So this is my cupcake pan. I've already placed the pepper, and I'll be scooping this, just one of these into the pan. Yeah. Okay. So it goes into the oven now. I'm baking at 150 degrees C for 20. After 20 minutes, I'll start to check, but for 20 to 25 minutes, it should have been done. You can see that it came out neat. It baked for 15 minutes. You can see that. I don't have another pan, so I want to bring it out immediately so that I can continue with it. I want to set it here to get cool. My oven is so active, so that's why I know normally in my old oven I bake for 20 minutes or so, but this one is very active, hyperactive. They worry the oven. So this is it. Oh well, we'll cut one later. Let me continue the baking and I'll come back soon. So the second one goes into the oven. Now our cupcakes are ready. So with this recipe I was able to get 35 muffins. So thank you for watching, and please rate me in the comment section. Give me some thumb up. So in the next one I'll be frosting this cake with buttercream. I'm not sure, but I think it will be buttercream. Thank you so much. Bye. So sorry, I came back again. I forgot that I did not cut the cake to show you. So remember I said it's 35 pieces I got, and this is it. It's cooled down already. It's cooled. I allow it to cool because I'll have to decorate it. I'll have to frost it with buttercream. You see now? See how fluffy it is. And it tasted so good. We have already tested one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.